Are we good now? Are we good? Have we finished having our moment? Because that would be great. Okay. Guys, this week. Yeah. Just this week. That's all I'm gonna say. This week is just... they're not wanting me to trade. Or not wanting me to be here for at least the initial trades. Like, what the heck? So there, my internet just died. So that was fun. But at least we are back. Okay, did I miss anything? Not really. Which is kind of sad. Are we gonna be bullish or bearish? Let's check the 15-minute. Let me see. Okay. Let's see. Hey, Isam. Hi, how you doing? I'm good, thanks. How are you? Sorry, I am late today. South Africa is being South Africa. For lack of a better word, South Africa is just being South Africa today. Like, oh my gosh. I actually was here earlier and then it just... Ooh! Whoop whoop mango! Nice! Hey Hamid, how you doing? Right, okay, but at least I'm back. Hey LP, how you doing? Detwolf, hey, thank you. This week, just this week. This week? Mango, damn. Damn, okay. But at least I can now breathe. We're good. And everything's up and running how it should be. I promise you, if the Wi-Fi starts having a moment now, I'm gonna have a meltdown. You're gonna see a little Maya meltdown. We are still... Whoa. Okay, so we are still bullish. Interesting. Ooh, nice highlight. Wait, what? Hi Life, I'm so sorry. Hey Apple Butter, how you doing? Nice Mango. Oh, is this your first funded still? Nice, well done. What's my deal today? Explain? What do you mean? Well, what do you mean, what's my deal? Why am I late? Why is life happening? What do you mean by what's my deal today? What do I think's gonna happen? I mean, according to the 15-minute and 1 hour, we are still bullish. So I am curious. I mean, this would have been beautiful. Unfortunately, I was not here. Thanks, South Africa, for that fun little detour we took there. Are we just gonna continue what happened in London and we're gonna go for all-time highs and just continue going up? Right, Beastmaster, it's Hey Bob, how you doing? Are you ready for today? How's the orb looking? Good, bad? How are you? How's it going? At least I'm in this now. We are good to go. I was sulking for a solid... What time did I hop on? Yeah, around here. I was sulking for a good solid like 20 to 30 minutes there because I was like, I can't trade today. Oh well. Hell yeah, Dead Wolf, we are all in this together. And apparently it's just running away. Oh my gosh. Thought it'd just come down, take out a little bit of, like a tiny bit of liquidity and then just say, hey, cheers everyone. Don't go against trend, right? And apparently trend is just saying up, up and away. Oh, nice, Envy. Well, let's find out. Jose, did I win in the London session? I did. I got... Yeah, I did. I had one trade. I missed a bunch, so that was a bit disappointing. However, it was one trade. It was a win. I can't complain. Dark Angel. Aww. Thanks, Dark Angel. Okay, well, I hope the calls are good. I hope the calls are good. Let's see now. Yeah. Okay. Apple butter, you had a good trade today. What did you do? What did you take? Did you go long on ES? Oh no, Bob, what the heck? I'm sorry. Poop. So now what? Are you gonna wait? Are you done? What's the plan? To be fair, the market's a little bit all over the place. I do not blame you for second guessing. Like, I'm potentially looking at this. This just feels a little bit insane. Does it though? I mean, theoretically it's not bad. I just don't know if it's gonna come back down this far. Let's have a look-see. I mean, wow. It's basically a 32 points stop loss. Oh, for crying out loud. Yes, connect. I know. Thank you. Yeah, three is good. Let's try this. Ta-da. Okay. Exactly. Right, Bob? So well done. Well done? Well done. So you are not like me where I had a bunch of missed opportunities but I was second guessing everything so I did not get them. That was me this morning. It was not so fun. Burundi. Yeah, hi, I'm from South Africa. Oh, high life. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Aw, thank you. I love you too. How's your high life? I don't have any sad music. I feel like I need to play you a sad song now. Should I get my guitar out and just start very sadly strumming some notes? I can do that. I can strum some like super sad notes for you. I can go grab it. I think I can go grab it. I'm a bit short, so that might be very entertaining, but Oh, apple butter. Whoop whoop. Do you have an? Oh, it's just gonna run away again, isn't it? It's not gonna come back to get me, which is so rude. But at least here it would have a little bit of a reversal. Hey, Nox. Oh, Dead Wolf. Whoop whoop. Oh my gosh. Dead Wolf's having a great week. Nox, I play guitar. Yee, not very well. Dead Wolf, that is amazing. Well done. Cool. It's about to take that, so just didn't give me my entry. Oh well. Wolfie, well done. Nox, yes, I play guitar, like I said, not very well because unfortunately, I don't know why, my dog's not a fan of guitar. I must try find the video that I took of him barking at me while I was trying. It's like he was scared of it, so yeah. Oh no, High Life, no, come back. You're okay. It's okay. Just copy. No, that sounded super cocky. Don't do that. I was gonna say just copy my traits, but that was very arrogant. I'm so sorry. Dead Wolf, that is amazing. No, why? What's up, Tomahawk? Why? What? Apple butter? Shoot. Why shoot? What happened? Oh. Okay. Tomahawk, where did you think you were? This sounds like a very interesting tale. I'm kind of into it. What's happened? It's just tapped. It's basically made equal highs. Is it gonna continue? Wow. Just wow. Oh my gosh, that was bad. That was bad. Really funny though, but terrible. Is that the best one you've got? Out of genuine curiosity, I love to hear. That's amazing. That was amazing. To be fair, a pickup line I've always wanted to try, but I don't think I ever will, because I'm not brave like that. It's Burundi. My local language is English. Yeah, I mean, to be fair, South Africa has like, what's it, Knox? 11 languages? But yes, I am primarily English. So, anyways, the one thing I've been dying to do is go up to someone in a bar and be like, feel my shirt, do you feel this? Do you know what this is? Girlfriend material. Boom. But I'll never do that because that's... Ooh. Ringe, I can't do it. Not worth it. Can't do it. What, Nox? What? That's a winner. You think that's a winner? I don't know. I think that's... Oh. That's bad. I think that's bad. I don't think that'll go down very well. Maybe after I've had like 20 adult drinks, then it'll be fine. No. I do not need a man. I got me, myself, and I. Well, I lie. I got you guys. You guys are awesome. Be brave and try it. You crazy. Absolutely not. Now I'm super curious. Nox, what's your best... What would your best pickup line be? Junior Soccer Stars, hey, how you doing? I'm really not sure about this one. Deadwolf, are you done for the day? Hell yeah. That's the one. Oh, cool, I think. If you enjoy work, cool. If not, sorry. Tomahawk, this is Nasdaq futures. Yeah. The micros, to be specific. Damn, Dit, and that was like a beautiful climb. Where was your entry point? $698 or 618? Knox. Okay. Oh, interesting. Tomahawk, how long have you been doing this for? Dad, I feel like I'm being blonde. Oh wait, no, I am being blonde. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. Let me find my brain cells. There we go. I found them. I found them. It took a while, but they're there. Randy? No. Rajat, hey, how you doing? Oh, okay. Okay, so you are brand new. Hey, only true trader, I'm so sorry. South Africa struck again. The Wi-Fi just cut out. Hello from Indonesia. Hoi, hello from South Africa. How are you? So I've completely missed anything decent now, so that's fun. We are now consolidating. What do you guys think? Do you think this is going to take this high and just keep doing what it did in London and just keep surging up? Or is it gonna come back down now? Prasenjit? Yes? I'm so sorry, I think I butchered that. This is... Damn, Nox is yelling at me. Anyways, this is Nasdaq futures. Yeah, nice, Tomahawk. Yeah. Welcome. Well, hello from the south. How are you doing? Okay, well, we definitely took out the all-time high, but we appear to have some resistance there. Isra, very good question. I have no idea. Isra, what do you think's gonna happen? I'm waiting to see if it goes back down or if we're gonna continue to just go on up. Really? Apple butter? Why? Donovan, hi, how are you doing? Interesting. I wonder why it's working better. All I can say is if the Wi-Fi cuts out again, I will film me breaking dishes. I will go with that Rihanna song, Breaking Dishes, and I will flipping smash a dish. Because honestly. Hey Lavish, how you doing? Louis Graham? No. I have been looking at it though. It's a potential. I want to get good at Nasdaq first, if that makes sense. Lavish, what's up? I said hi. How you doing? Ah, pips and dips, thanks. So it's Teach Maya, all in capitals. Yeah, pretty sweet and simple, I think. If you want to also, it is in the description and you can go check out the links. But yeah, it's Teach Maya. Thank you. I really appreciate the support. Thanks, pips and dips. You're amazing. Yeah, Louis Graham, I'm assuming you trade gold, right? I'm assuming. Okay. Okay, but Nox has a point. Let me focus. Right, Nox? Focus. No, I'm not a college student. Thank you, though. I'll take that as a compliment. Ugh. I mean, there is this fair value gap. That's potential, actually. Nope, 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 nope. I need to wait and see what it decides to do. Let's see if this would have been a win. Ooh, it's bumping down. Hey, Boom, how you doing? Yes, I am back. Sorry, my Wi-Fi decided it hated me, so... But I'm back. It did... Did you guys hear that? Owie. Okay, anyways, moving on. It did mean that I missed this beautiful trade here. In that same breath, I probably wouldn't have taken it because I would not have known it was going to be a breaker structure. So theoretically, I haven't missed a trade yet, except for maybe this one. I was waiting though because it did just take all-time highs and I want confirmation that it's going to keep pushing up and stay bullish. So that's why I did not take it. There is a lot of resistance up here also, so let's see. Oh, go on, Boom, then. Oh, so Boom, why did you go out? Just for fun? On a Wednesday? Anyways. Hey, apple butter, amazing. See? Yeah, apple butter's got it. We've got this figured out. Oh, it hasn't taken highs on ES yet. Actually, there's a lot of highs it has not taken on ES yet. Apple butter, do you think it's going to go for all of that liquidity still? Beastmaster, you're kind of going to have to ask the group because I don't feel like I've been around long enough to answer that correctly, but it does feel a little bit wild that it appears that it's properly bullish on both London and New York today. Oh, wait. As I said that, watch it now come back down. Is Maya an Indian name? Interesting. Okay. Oh! Nice. Nice. DJ Shocker. Hey, I'm shocked. I'm joking, that was terrible. Hey, Chef Trades, how you doing? You just came in to witness that terrible joke I just made. Louis Graham, you think it's just gonna fly? Apple butter, it really does. And it appears to have hit quite a bit of resistance. Oh man. Okay. That was a missed one, which is unfortunate. What do you want? Let me just make sure this is not the Wi-Fi company. Yep, was not. We good. We're good. Hey, Chef Trades, you're welcome to the chaos. Okay. I may or may not. Thanks, Deadwolf. Thank you. I may or may not have way too much energy. Why? I don't know. I haven't even had a coffee today, but we're going. We're just gonna go with it. I'm so sorry. You guys have to witness this. Oh, DJ, yeah, so I'm trading Nasdaq futures, the micros, if we want to be super specific. Oh, Chef trades, you lucky duck. Nice. Louis Graham, that's true. I also cannot be upset. I did trade this morning and it was a winning trade. I was bummed because I missed a bunch more this morning. However, I did get a trade in and it was a win. It was actually a beautiful win. It was... Check out this. Sorry. Check how it literally just tagged me in and then went up. That was awesome. That was a really fun trade this morning. Like I said, there was a bunch of missed ones. Like this one would have also been a win. Okay. Now that we have established... Oh, no. See? I was just about to say, now that we have established market, but it's now taken a high on ES. So I'm waiting to see if there's going to be a retracement now or not. Oh, thanks for the new sub. I really appreciate it. Was it the craziness? Do you guys like the craziness? Thank you. Chef trades, do you have a TP or are you just kind of... Yeah, how are you doing it? ML Thang, hey, how you doing? Okay, well, it took the liquidity on ES. Okay, it took the liquidity on ES. Which means this might be the better range. It actually might not be the better range. Can we all see I'm now overthinking this? As if not yet. I've looked into gold. Out of curiosity, I placed a trade. I just placed my setup there and it would have been a win. So that was cool. Maybe I should jump between that while I'm waiting for some things. I can jump to gold and have a little bit of fun, forward test a little bit. That could be quite entertaining. And kid, that's so cool. Hey, Exploring Universe, what's up? Dark Angel, you say just take it. But should I take that or should I take this one? Two. I don't know if you guys can hear the hardy doors. If you're in South Africa, you know how annoying they are. Okay. Okay, Dark Angel, I will just take it. I will... That one. Okay, this one. If you did not mean this one, don't stress, I can always fix it very easily. Yeah. No. Okay, well that answered that. Is it going to just run off? Yes. Yes, it is. Yo, Bluxum. Okay. Let me start with it there. Now that it's picked up this far, I feel a little bit more comfortable taking this range. Okay. Hey, Private, thank you. Another Jack. Hey, how you doing? Libby Graham, really? You think so? Acid things. Highly doubt that though. Believe it or not, I am shy as hell. If someone had to point... Okay, I know there's a camera pointed at me right now, but if there was someone standing behind the camera, like an actual human being... No, okay. It's taken out equal highs and it's heading for London high on ES, which is dangerous. Private, take it, please. I mean, Exploring universe, 0 years. I've only been trading since April. I'm still a baby. Okay. Dark Angel, are you on a call? Can you hear me? Chef Trace, you got 10 points off that balance. Nice, okay. Interesting, David. I mean, I am half Portuguese. Don't know if that means anything. Night. Night, what happened? What happened? Aw, thanks, Asif. Yeah, listen, I'm trying really hard, to be honest. I don't want to be hiding things. Okay. I'm sticking with the strategy, right? I'm sticking with it. I'm from South Africa. Exploring universe, that's yelling at me, damn. I'm a little bit nervous about this, because it did just take some equal highs on ES. However, let's see. Boom banana, yes. Noise, okay. Let's see, boom. I don't know if this is the wisest choice I have made, because it did take some equal highs on ES. But there is still the London high that it needs to go and grab. Oh no. So my stop may have been a little bit tight. Let's see. Damn, Boom Banana! So mean! Night, you were nicely in profit, 800 bucks. Night? I'm sorry, did you see how my jaw just dropped? I mean, that's like a woo! Woo! Well done! Oh my gosh! Exploring universe, I'm using my own little strategy that, yeah. I guess you could say I came up with. My friend helped me come up with it because it just works. Oh, that's okay, Dark Angel. Let's see what happens. Oh no. I'm dead. I love friends so much, thank you. That's such a compliment. I have to think about what Rachel is the no. Oh no. Oh, I hear it now. I don't even realize I do that. I wonder if I actually got that from friends. Anyways. Will I marry you? Damn, you don't beat around the bush, do you? Okay. Ooh, good idea, Knight. Good idea. Call it while you're in the profits, right? Can't be upset with being in profits. I, however, am Interesting. Your bro trader. Hey, I'm good and you. How's it going? Let's see what happens. Exploring universe, is your caps lock on, or are you just everything in flipping whatchamacallit capital letters? Because damn. Hey, your bro trader, I'm so glad. How has the trading been going today? Oh, Bangladesh, that's so cool. Well, hello, and here's some love from South Africa. Oh, thanks, Night. Yeah, guys, if you wouldn't mind liking the stream, that would be amazing. If you want to subscribe and keep joining in on this amazing community that's slowly building here. Watch me freak out. No, I'm joking. Like I said, it is what it is. Double tap. That just makes me think of, what's that movie? I don't know. Yes, your bro trader. Where did you think I was from? That also sounded so, like, disappointed. Like, you're from South Africa. Damn, what did I do wrong? South Africans are cool. Thank you. Yes, Nox, the zombie one. Oh my gosh, what's it called? Exploring universe. I mean, I guess it just makes it seem like you're yelling at me. Hey, trade with us. I am. Ooh. Nobody tell him. Is it? Sorry, my Wi-Fi is being funny. It's why I started a stream earlier and then it cut out because the Wi-Fi decided it hated me. Oh no. This is not looking great, is it? Anyways. Apple button, no! I'm so sorry. How old do you think I am? Sorry, that's where I was headed with that. I'm trying not to look at this disappointment that's about to hit. Yep, not looking great for my trade. It's not, Boom. I'm sorry. Oh, interesting. Thank you, Louis Graham. Yes, that is it. Zombieland. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That was gonna... I was about to say how... Excuse me? Is this gonna go back up now? That was a disappointing loss, but in the same breath, if this goes back up now, like, I'll prefer it to melt down properly. Go down. Go down. Instead of just ticking me out and then going back up. Oh well. Okay. So we are still up 1 hour for the day. Let's see if another opportunity presents itself. I know. Sadness. It's okay, guys. Buy back on order block. Really? Let's see. Like I said, Boom, I did warn you. I did say I wasn't the most confident in this one purely because of the fact that it took out 2 equal highs on ES. But let's see what happens now. We're looking for a bounce at 740 area. Okay. That's why I call it the net. Libigram. Yes, because it's a diva. The Nasdaq do be a diva, 100%. I'm sorry if I missed anything. Deadwolf, are you done trading for the day? By the way, I didn't ask. Hey Chris Witcher. How are you doing? You think it's going to go down? No. Maybe. I was gonna say, should we try something, guys? Should we... What's this look like on the 5-minute? Oh, nice, Dad. Well done. That is a flipping great day for you. I'm sure you are super chuffed. You're having a great week. Oh, your bro trader? Nice. I'll show you now junior soccer stars. I'm just having a quick look here. I mean, I have this little bit of a shelf. I have a few fair value gaps, and VWAP as a little bit of protection. I don't know if it's going to come this far down though. What level is this? 725. Wait, didn't you say it was going to come down to around the 720 area, Witcher? Exploring Universe. You've been watching me for 5 seconds. Like, respectfully. How do you know my way of trading doesn't work? Ooh, okay. Good question. Oh, thank you, bro trader. I love that. That's amazing. Thank you. Damn, Knight's here to bottom. Interesting. Okay, so chat, in case anyone was wondering, Knight has asked what y'all think is better for me to not trade tomorrow and be happy over weekend while being green, or trade tomorrow and... That's a bit of a difficult question. A little bit what Nox said, how do you know that you're gonna have a loss tomorrow? But in the same breath, if you want to rather stick on the green, risk management means do not trade. Your bro trader? Of course I do. I have both Instagram and TikTok and Facebook. I'm getting there. But what's potentially also going to happen on Monday, hopefully, I'm going to start streaming Twitch as well. That could be quite fun. If in doubt, stay out. There we go. Thanks, Envy. That's good. Head and shoulder forming. Okay, let me wait for a confirmation of structure again. Louis Graham, sorry, did I miss something? Exploring Universe, how long have you been trading for? Oh, your bro trader. Hell yeah. I do think that the link to my Instagram, at least, is on my description of my channel, or my bio, whatever you want to call it. Hey Musa, how you doing? Nox, you're using my words against me. Like, you have a valid point, but this is specifically for the week, right? Okay, cool. So, regardless, hello, come on. Please and thanks. There we go. Oof, regardless, this would have been a loss. Oh, that would have sucked. Okay. What do we think about this massive thing? Do we think this is a good trade? I'm not great with the bigger trades. Ooh, Knight, maybe that's a good idea. Do some risk management and just risk a lot less and practice discipline, and just so that if you do lose, you don't lose a lot, so you will stay in the green. Maybe that's a good idea. Ah, sorry, your bro trader. Sure, I will add it in the comments. Wait, maybe I can do that now. Can I? No, let me focus. You can't ask an ADHD person to do things. Then they're like, oh, yes, no, gosh. Yes, okay. So, Chris Witcher, you think this might potentially go back up, or is this the shift down now? 100% your bro trader, 100%. Hey Spiso, how you doing? Ooh, night. Do you know that there's actually a word for that? Do you know there's... Oh, I forgot the word exactly, but essentially it's similar, but just with regards to when you're feeling too happy, you start to get anxious because you know that something's around the corner that's gonna make you upset. Something along those. I butchered it, but there's actually a word for that feeling. Ooh, okay, apple butter. Let's see. You think this might be the entry for it? I mean, potentially. It has taken a little bit of liquidity. Okay. Again, guys, I apologize if it's a little bit funky today, the video and the quality. The universe is just apparently a little bit out to get me today, so Wi-Fi is being a little bit weird, so I apologize if it's not so great. So sorry. Trade with us. You think it's a buy now? You don't think it's going to come a little bit further down to fill some of these order blocks? I mean, order blocks, fair value gaps. One trade at a time. Nox, you are wise, my man. Oh, Louis Graham. Okay, interesting. I'm gonna wait and see. Purely just because I stick to my strategy. So I'm not saying anyone is wrong or that you guys are talking rubbish. I stick to my strategy, or else I've had some oopsies before. I don't want to get back to that point. Let's just put it that way. But I'm super curious to see if this could be the shift. But, okay, so you said it's reacting. Let me check the 15-minute. Anyways. Wouldn't it go down to this 15-minute one? Here's an awesome fair value gap, and it's right where my entry is. And this is also on the 15-minute. I think I just get nervous, because when it kind of looks like this, when it comes down this far, I start to question, is it gonna keep just going down? Your bro trader, so I'm actually still on the eval account, sorry. Sorry to disappoint. Like I said, I had to claw my way up from the depth of an eval account. You're in short looking for a quick play. Whee! Solly, you are so cute. Okay, night, damn. There's a doji, don't enter. Okay. Oh, sorry, apple, but I mean, still, apple butter. Still not bad, right? A break even is better than a loss, so well done. And well done on the discipline. If you don't like it, mitigate risk, right? Exploring universe always. I'm curious, I'm not denying, I'm just curious. Have you backtested that? Knight, are you on MNQ? Hey Nash, how you doing? How's it look on the 1 hour? Maybe I should also be checking that. Okay. Hey Sophie, so I'm trading Nasdaq futures. Ugh! Messing up everything. Okay, there we go. We're back. We're fine. We're safe. It's okay. Nobody panic. Apple butter? Yeah. I mean, it is headed for VWAP, but is it going to bounce off VWAP or is it just going to completely disregard VWAP? Oh, night. Okay, cool. Cool. Okay, wait. Night, so... Okay. So they're not market order. Interesting. Shorty trades? Why do swing traders sleep like babies? And 35% is more than fine if you have a good R2R. That's okay, Knight, don't worry. Jordy trades, when you make a joke like that, it makes me think you've had a bad day. Hey Doc Angel, welcome back. What did you miss? Not much. That trade was a loss, unfortunately. Oh well. Now I'm waiting to see. It's really close to VWAP on ES, and there's a lot of support going on around here. So is it gonna continue back up? Has it decided it's shifting down now? Who knows? Oh my gosh, this is the second time I've hurt myself today. Anyways, and London was good. London, I had one win. I did miss a bunch. That's why I actually took this trade, because London session, I was overthinking all of them. And so naturally I didn't take them because I was like, oh, I'm not sure about this. And they would have been wins. So that's why I know it sounds weird because I know it was a loss, but I'm still happy I took it because that is literally half of my problem during the London session. Was that I could see the trades and I just kind of went, nah, I'm not so sure. And they would have been wins. So it's all about just getting the mental part right. Thanks for the subs, guys. Solly, you're out. Ooh, whoop whoop. Nicely done. Envy for me, no, for you. Envy, did you have a stop loss? Ooh. Ooh, Knight, interesting. You have a point. You do have a point. There's not a hectic momentum going down. Okay, Exploring Universe. Respectfully, please don't take this the wrong way, but from everyone I've been talking to, how do I put this nicely? No? I don't know how to put it nicely. I've been talking to a lot of traders and yeah. That is not the case. 60 to 70%, I guess it depends on what type of strategy you have. But if you have an R, well, at least a 1 to 2 R, and you have a 40% and above, you're going to be profitable. It might not take as fast, or take as fast, that's not English, might not be as quick, but you will be profitable. Jody trades, okay, go for it, carry on. Go on, hit me with some more dad jokes. Oh, Dark Angel? Whoop whoop, well done, you didn't tell me about the big win. I got too excited. You didn't tell me about the big win, that's amazing, well done. So, hear me out. Would this be a good entry? If we assume this is not a shift. However, I mean, on the... yeah. Oh, surrender! Hi, I'm sorry if I missed your message. Sorry. Is he gone? Maybe he's gone. Exploring Universe? You still there? Maybe not. Maybe I upset him. Oops. Oh, well, I hit VWAP on ES. Dead Wolf? I can imagine. So, you guys are just having a great time. Well done. On the year. Damn, Dark Angel, look at you go. How big was it? You can please send me a screenshot of it. It sounds so cool. I'm so upset I missed it. Okay. Everybody stop yelling. And now it's 1 to 2 R. Yee, Boom Banana what? You and your hmms. How do I... Okay. How do I put this? I don't know if you guys agree with me. Exploring Universe, if you can't talk nicely. We are a nice community here where we show a lot of respect to everyone. I like to think. Anyways. If you cannot be respectful to everyone here, that means me. Don't be mean to me, I'm a big baby, okay? I will have to put you in a 5-minute timeout, just saying. Putting it out there. Anyways, now that I've been strict Maya, I don't like being strict Maya, please don't make me do that again. Louis Graham, that frustration face, yeah. Anyways, hey, your bro trader, how you doing? When I win, does someone else lose? I mean, I guess depends on someone took the opposite of what I took. A surrender sign, really? Oh, sorry, Sapiso. I'm trading Nasdaq futures. This is the 1-minute time frame. God inspires love. Cool. Nice tattoo. Thank you. And Wesley, hey, how's it going? Jordy. Hey Stan, how you doing? Only True Trader, what a lovely day. I'm assuming you had a good day. This progressive little bit of a down is making me nervous. However, again, it has now just tapped into VWAP on ES. Is this potentially going to be the turn? Sorry, I'm kind of now waiting for a little bit of confirmation on what's going to happen. Stan, how much have I made today? Or you have to be a little bit more specific. Yeah, Jordy's the bouncer. He's here to do digital clubs, as he likes to say. Apple Butter, yeah, he was very passionate, so good for him for being passionate. You know, just like a lot of things in life, you have your opinions and I respect them, just don't shove them in my face. Really, Zah? Whoop whoop, amazing, well done. Yeah, I mean, you're not the first one to say. Maybe it's an early week because it's just been so good today. It seems like everyone is having a pretty decent... Whoop, there it is. Thank you. Whoop, there it is. Okay, everyone's having a decent day. That was very cringe. Do you point out good trades? I mean, you can. Why? ES bounced off VWAP, yep. Oh, thank you, Surrender. I try. Ooh, nice. Only true trader, but that's really good. Am I married? No. 235, you did. Oh, flip, you did. Nice, well done. Oh, 7-3. Yeah, I got what you meant. Yeah, but why couldn't you have said like 725? Because then if I had this, I would have been in this. Like, come on, Knight. Clearly you have influence over the markets. You should have told it to come and get my entry that's not set up at all. Oh, no! Aw, thanks, your bro trader. I appreciate it. Oh, Wesley, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It's at all-time high. You think it will trace a bit first. How far, though? Laksh? I was just about to say thanks, Alan, and then I saw Sophie's message underneath, and that killed me. Married to the game, guys. Gosh. Knight, you did. I know you did. I remember you said there's going to be a bounce. However, why did you not make it a little bit lower? That's so rude. Anmoth, hey, how you doing? I trade some SMC concepts, so yes, I use ICT and SMC concepts in... Married to the charts, bro. Benoni accent. I can't do a Benoni accent. I'm not great at it. And Boom Banana, you think it's gonna come back down. Okay. The frustrating thing is, right, I'm waiting for a proper break of structure. That wouldn't have hit. That also would not have hit. This would have hit. If I'd done this range, that would have taken me out. Very rude. Okay. Okay. I need to wait for proper confirmation of structure before I get into anything, or else that is basically just gambling. If I do not get another trade, it's not the end of the world. I am still 1 hour up for the day, so... Anyways. Oh, night. That's interesting. Okay. Really? Oh, it's 0 at this low. Or the 0.5. 0. I'm assuming you meant the 0. Aw, thanks, the piso. You're saying you want to use my code, right? I'm assuming that's what you mean. I mean, I have a bunch of affiliates. So you have Funding Ticks, Tick Tick Trader, Top One Trader, Earn to Trade, Ulinox. Hopefully more on the way. I don't know if that's being greedy, but oh, thank you. Okay, thanks, Exploring Universe. There we go. There's the passion. Thank you. And that was nice. See? Being nice is nice. These charts are making your head hurt. You need to do something fun. I mean, banging your head against the table could theoretically be fun, depending on who you are. I have actually banged my head against this table a couple of times because of these markets, so I get it. Solly... yeah, sorry, so it entered here and it just kept going down. There was no break even, nothing there. Oh, you're asking about first trade this morning. Damn night, okay. Oh, apple butter, no. That is so unnecessary. Ooh, your bro trader. That's cool. That could be awesome. Okay, well, you said you send me a DM so I can pop you one back and be like, hey, wait, do you not like my thumbnail? Okay. That was so mean. Okay, I'm gonna cry now. No, I'm joking. So, fun fact. There we go. I can make myself cry. I don't know if that's a weird thing or a bad thing, but it is what it is. Jordy Trade. No. Took 3 L's today and oh no, Laksh, I'm so sorry. Ooh, nice. Go for it, Jordy Trades. That sounds like a great plan. No, I don't even know if that's big enough. I think you need to take like a really well cooked steak there and just open it up in front of it, but it has to be massive. Or biltong, just take biltong there. Take biltong there, that'll work, that'll be awesome. No, I know, I know. I know, I'm just being mean. Oh, you guys are funny. Okay, well, Laksh, what did you... No, that sounds rude. I don't want to ask that, but I want to say, what did you do? How did you manage to get 3 L's? But that's very rude. I mean, I got a loss there. I duffed it, so it just happens, right? Jordy, are you gonna try trading again tomorrow? Or have you had it? Are you done with this? It kind of looks like it's sitting on VWAP on ES right now, so that's fun. Oh, I love that. Deadwolf, what are you? Who's the lead singer? Who's the drum? You have to tell me the details. Hey, Marzia, hey, how's it going? I've missed you. Where you've been? Where have you been? That was English. Oh gosh, I'm not doing great. Jordy, you say that. When was it last week? Monday. Monday was shocking. Shocking. Monday was last week Monday. This Monday was fun. Oh, okay. Sorry, Jordy. Just one of those. It's fine. It appears to be a very mixed week for everyone. It's either an amazing week or just not having fun with it at all. Sorry, Laksh, but yeah, enjoy. Hopefully I see you back here. I'm here both London and New York session. So yeah, pop on by for a good time. That sounded terrible. I meant for fun. This is not working how I wanted to. What I mean is stop by to have fun while trading. There we go. Okay, I nailed it. Okay. Oh, hey! I noticed I made trade based on resistance, support, or another factor. Purely, trend. Purely trend. It was a bullish trend. So I was going with market structure because during the London session, I was questioning everything. So I did not take it and it would have been so many wins and I just didn't take it because I was doubting. So I just took this one. So obviously part of me is bummed because it was a loss. Another part of me is happy that I just took it because it got me out of that little bit of a funk that I was like, I just can't do it. Hey, Perfect Play, how you doing? No, I did not. Hey, Alan, how you doing? I feel like I missed Marzia's message. I'm so sorry, Marzia. There. So, Marzia, so that's super exciting. So now, when do you move? Because that's a nightmare. Take it from someone who's just moved. It's not fun. It's not fun. But it's worth it in the end, right? Aw, thanks, Laksh. I'll see you then, hopefully again. Alan, why? What happened? Yeah. So this... I'm just waiting for confirmation of structure. It just kind of feels like it's chopping around a little bit now, so that's not fun. What do we think's gonna happen? Is it going to just keep pushing up? Is this just a bit of a fake out before it drops down properly? Okay, surrender. Okay, I'm down for this. Let's see. Surrender, I guess it depends on the meal. Because I can cook well if I really want to, but do I cook often? Yeah, not really. Just because I'm really bad at looking after myself, but give me something else to look after. Good, I'm good. I've literally raised a little mouse from when it was a little pinky. It was like this big. And I named it Lucky, but anyways, that's a whole other story. I don't think you guys want to hear that. Tricky trades. We have snacks here. Yeah, we do. I know. No, I have not. Hey, Frog. What's up? I mean, Jordy, valid. Okay, Alan, you think it's gonna shoot up? Jose, I have a roommate, but no, I do not live with my parents. A little bit, Jordy, you have a point. Guys, this is Jordy. He's the stream bounce actually. Oh no, wait. I can too. Wait, give me a second. No man. Why? Why can I not? Why is it so annoying? Anyways, I was gonna say, Jordy is like the stream bouncer slash comedian. And we love him. This trade would have literally wicked me in and wicked me out in one go. Damn it. See here. Ow. I don't know if you heard that. That was my whole finger that just... Okay. Oh, thanks, Marzia. Yeah, I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed for you. It will be amazing. Oh, but, you know, I feel like traders are not afraid of work. If there's one thing we know what to do, it's how to work hard to get a lot. Mohammed, you've lost billions. That's not great. Jordy, have I engaged? Okay, Envy, you think so? Okay. You want to hear about Lucky someday? It's quite a sad story, actually. Not for him, but for his mother and all of his siblings. Anyways. Okay, so nice. You think it's either going to have a heavy retracement from here, or if it's going to continue higher, it's going to continue higher for the rest of the day. I'm wanting to agree with you, so that also would have been a win. So now... Okay, now I'm going to be bold. I'm going to be bold. I'm going to do what I did not do this morning. I'm going to set this. Place it and just take it. And if it's a loss, then it is what it is. And it's a break-even day today. And who cares, right? I'm green for the week. To have 1 or 2 losses is not the end of the world. Obviously, it's not ideal. But it's also not the end of the world. I'll just mitigate the risk a little bit more. Okay, we're trying this, we're going with the trend, and we're trying not to overthink it. Let's do it. Surrender? Why do you think market's gonna crash then? Hey, Daniel Max. Literally only since April? Yeah. So this is like a whole new world, but in the same breath. Wow, I should start singing some Aladdin songs. In the same breath, it is so cool. I'm loving it. And there's a McDonald's theme song. No. Dark Angel is like the big supportive big sister. That's it. She's like the supportive big sister that's kind of the mom. Do I like trading? Hell yeah! Damn. Oh, that was brilliant. That was so funny. Oh my gosh. I've just never considered it, never really looked into it, to be fair. Oh gosh, that's freaking funny. Would you like her CV rather? Yep. Apparently. Should I just email you my CV? Will that help? Okay, let's just move the entry to there. Thank you. I have to change the contract amount. Okay. Why are you being so slow? It's been like this for the past 2 days. It's driving me crazy. Yeah, Dark Angel's a kitty mom. But 100% she's like the stream's mom as well. Now it's going to take forever to do this, and now it's taking the liquidity. Damn it. It's not really what I wanted. Oh well, I wanted it to come and get me first before it went and did that. Apple butter. Wait, did you get a TP hit? Is that what happened? Cool, now I'm out of this one. Because it took this. Ah, sigh. Oh well. Oh, apple butter! Whoop whoop, that's amazing! Well done! That is awesome! I'm so proud of you. so... Surrender, what? Yeah, where is Nox? Nox was here earlier. I actually don't know where Nox went. Nox. I'll show myself out. That was very bad. That was very, very bad. Anyways, what I wanted to say, Surrender, what you're saying is that because I potentially do not cook very well, I'm going to be miserable in life. That doesn't sound right. Okay. Hey Melvin, how you doing? How's it going, Melvin? Oh, sorry. Oh no. Yeah, you're screwed. Sorry. Completely screwed. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh, nice, Marzia! Okay. I'm waiting for the last confirmation of is it going up or not. And there's Nox. Nox is back. Oh, there we go. Thanks, guys. Oh, you guys make my day. You guys are so funny. No! Come on. I feel like I need to place a poll. Should I take this trade or not? Let's look for some confluences here. Ooh. Ooh. The 3 minute looks decent. On a mission. Okay, but seriously, guys. This, what do we think? The momentum and volume down is promising. However, okay, let me set this up. It is nearly that lunchtime time. Yeah, yes, you have a point. Yes, gosh, apple butter. I'm so sorry. I just saw ES there and I was like, yes. Okay. I'm just gonna mitigate risk by a bunch. By a bunch. Nearly half what I normally trade. Let's see. Nox is a moderator. Jordy, I was trying to find you. I can't find you. I think you are on the vertical. Yeah. Junior soccer stars. Sorry, I'm sorry if this sounds super naive, but what the heck is a cup and handle? I haven't heard of that before. Dark Angel, it can be that. You're talking about that. It can be that. I've found that sometimes the smaller, when I say smaller, it's the smaller ranges tend to work a little bit better sometimes, especially when you have a look at the fair value gaps. It's not a bad one. So theoretically, if this one didn't take, that one would be a decent one to have a look at. Oh, I'm not loving that. I'm not loving that on ES. Oh, damn. Okay, so Marzia is also on this. Yeah, okay, so that explains it. So what is a cup and handles trading? Like, now I'm intrigued. The Matrix Chronicles. Hey! Memories. What memories? I think it's forming a higher low, which is not great. Nope, I'm out. I'm not doing it. Sorry. Yes, I do. Junior soccer, I do. Sorry, that's forming a higher low by the looks of things, which means this could have been a mistake. Watch it go up now, but yeah. Sorry, I just didn't like it. Because of that higher low. Thank you. Thanks, Deadpool. Oh, cool. Okay. And like I said, Geordie is just the stream comedian. Just... Okay. So cup and handle forms just like the handle. Surrender, don't worry, I'm not. Luckily I called it. Oh, I would be stressing hardcore. Thank you. Yeah, no, I apparently really just wanted bull today because trend has been bullish, but I unfortunately missed this one, which was a bummer. Check. I missed this one. I wouldn't have gotten in on this one because there was no confirmation of bull just yet. I wanted in on this, but it didn't come back down and get me. Yeah, that's a bit of a bummer. Oh well. I'm keeping this up out of curiosity because watch it go back up now, just because I did not take it. Right, Wizzy, but check. How much do you want to bet it goes back up now just because I did not take this? Junior Prince. Sorry, this is going to sound very generic, but it's like I say, every strategy works. It just depends on how you implement it seriously. Seriously. Hey, Boom, what's up? Did you get in on the long or the short, or which one did you get in on? Whoop whoop for you. Sorry, I'm super salty. Well, it's too late now. Oh, I should have just stuck with it. Oh well. Let's see if this would have been a win. Like I said, I'm gonna wait and see if this would have been a win. I'm super salty, but I'm still in the green for the day, so I can't be too upset, right? I'm 1 hour up for the day. This is a very slow. I feel like I'm missing trades. Oh well. Thanks, Wesley. I appreciate it. Hey, Fishcat Zombie, how you doing? Yeah, surrender? No, if I don't get in on my strategy, I don't just market buy. I've learned my lesson, and discipline is a thing. I don't do that. Use the golden, so I don't use a fib, I use a GAN box, by the way. No, it's way too late, it's gone past my setup. So Jordy, he hasn't traded ever. I don't know if you got that. Yeah, he's never traded before. He's here learning, which is super cool, and he's learned a lot. I'm really impressed with how much he's learned. Oh, hey trading, how you doing? This is a super big bummer right now, but in the same breath, it's hit that resistance zone on ES again. It might come back down. Interesting. Thank you, Mazia. Yeah, that's exactly. It could keep going back up now, or it could pop back down again. So in all honesty, it's kind of chopping, which is not ideal, and I do not like to trade in the chop. Fishcat Zombie, I can't complain. I am complaining, but I shouldn't be. Dark Angel and Jordy Trades, you guys are so funny. Athava? I mean, this is my GAN. I have a fib, I just never use it. This is the fib settings I have. Like I said, I just don't use this. I use my GAN box. I love my little GAN box. Surrender, you think Nasdaq is going up? Oh, Fishcat Zombie, sweet and simply, so on ES and on NQ, it formed a lower high, so I was not confident in it. That's essentially it. It formed a lower high, and I was like, I'm not too keen on this trade. And that was it. That's literally the reasoning behind it. Sorry, nothing cool, nothing spectacular happened. I just didn't like the lower high that it formed. I thought maybe this is going to be a bit of a bigger retracement, which means it would most likely then stop me out. Ooh, apple butter. Yeah, listen. That's what screwed me before. It was bad. It was really, really bad. Tomahawk? What? This sounds very interesting. Geordie trades? No, I don't think so. Who else here is ICT alumni? You're right, Fish Cat Zombie. I just didn't want to end the day on a break even. I would like to win. Well, win. Not win. Let me not say win. I would like to stay in the green for today. I am. I'm still 1 hour up for the day, so it's still green. That's cool. Let's see. Like I said, I'm waiting to see if this would have worked or if this would have been a loss. What the heck is that a gecko? Why are you making those noises? I didn't even know a gecko made noises. Sorry, it's just making noise. Yep. Yep. Nox, to be fair, me and you both. There's a lot. Star the Fox, my wife has a drinking problem and it's me. That's brilliant. Is this like joke day? I'm so confused. Everyone's coming here with jokes, but I'm loving it. This is amazing. Oh, thank you, Nash. Thank you, thank you. Daniel, so this is my strategy. Okay. I know some people think it's awesome, some people think it's rubbish. You know, everyone's allowed their own opinions and everyone's allowed their own trading strategy, but it's been working for me recently because I had a terrible trading strategy before this. So like I said, this has slowly been digging me out of a very bad hole I put myself in. So essentially the 0.5, 50%. I do ranges. So market structure, bottom of the range, top of the range. 50% is the entry. 30% of the 50% is stop loss, and 2R up is TP. Sorry, that was very quickly thrown at you, but yeah. Hi, Life? Do you want to bring me back some ice cream? That sounds amazing. Oh, ice cream sounds so good right now. Anyways. Oh, okay, cool. Marzia, green is good. Yes, 100%. Nox, no, you do more than read the candles. You read the candles, you're starting to see the patterns, you know what the VWAP is, you're starting to understand that price is drawn to VWAP. Not always, but a lot of the time it does like to sit there. Sorry, Daniel, I know that was like information overload at you. Ooh, pistachio ice cream. Ooh, that sounds good. Hey JJ, I am trading Nasdaq futures. Well, sure, we can call what I'm doing today trading. Yeah. Not one of my best days, I'm not going to lie, but it's okay. Star the Fox. Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna call you Holder. Sorry, that's what. I'm trying to read it together and it's not going well. Hello, I'm from South Africa. How you doing? Oh, thanks, Apple Butter. Have you ever thought about giving? You don't have to. Please don't feel like you have to. I was just curious if you ever thought about giving it a try on ES. Just out of curiosity. Oh, Geordie Trades. I'm sure Nox will love that. Jose. Why not? Sorry, that sounds terrible, but yeah, why not? Neil, right? No real reason. I started with futures and I want to get good at one single thing before I start exploring the wide world of trading. Just before I get myself overwhelmed, because I've been there, done that. Not fun. Ooh, now we all got Nox's email. Holder, yes, I am a trader. Hey Bob, how you doing? Did you get any more trades in? Oh guys, look at this. So see, I was correct. Hey, it would have been a loss. This would have been a win though, if I'd gone the other direction. Okay, well, see, I'm glad I stuck with my instinct when I saw this lower high forming. It appears we're gonna have a bit of a drop now. Hey, cool, Daniel. Why did you choose ICT, just out of curiosity? Hey, nice, Neil. Okay. Heck no. Good idea, Bob. You sound a little bit like me. I'm like, you know what? I'm in the green today. Let's maybe not push it. I will be back tomorrow, though. So, let's see. I'm super curious to see what happens then. Well, let's see what then happens tomorrow. Like I said, I'm super curious to see. Today was okay. Today was okay. Like, I can't be upset because I did stick to my rules. I did take a trade and just get over that. Oh, I don't know if I can take it, so that's awesome. Yeah, I mean, I had one win and one loss, so I am up 1 R for the day, so I can't be upset about that either, right? But sorry guys, my brain went elsewhere for a second there. I am most likely going to call it there for today. I know I'm like, oh, I'm 2 minutes early. This is uncomfortable. I normally wait until at least like 5:15, 5:15. But anyways, I'm probably gonna call it there for today. Thank you, Dark Angel, and well done to you. I can't believe you waited this long to tell me, but I'm gonna go check the email now to check your winning trade. I'm so happy for you. Diamante, where did the charts go? Peekaboo! Diamante, where you been? In your eyes, less is more. But you have a point, right? You do have a point. And now we're back. And now the screen's back. And now we're back. Sorry, I'm having way too much fun with that. I will call it there for today. Like I said, I might be having a little bit too much fun with that. You guys are amazing. Thank you, Mazia. You guys are awesome. Oh gosh, Ellen, that's gonna be bad. I can see that already. Hey, I'm Vertex. Hi, and I'm about to leave. I'm so sorry. Okay, well, I'm calling it. I will be back. Hopefully, touch wood. Hopefully the power's working, the Wi-Fi's working, the brain is working. Hopefully we're just working tomorrow. Okay, Friday, last day of the week. We've got this. It's Friday. It's going to be amazing. So I love you guys madly. I will see you all then tomorrow, either London or New York session, depending on where you are in the world. Have an amazing morning, midday, evening, again, depending on where you are. I love you guys madly. And yeah, pop by tomorrow. Let me know how the rest of your trading has been going. Okay. But I love you guys madly. Bye.